Hello friends, today I am going to teach you a kingfisher with a poster color or a watercolor. You can take it your watercolor if you are fine with your watercolor. If you are fine with your poster color, you can take it your poster color. Take your flat brush. Now we are going to start. Take your colors. Take it your detailing brush. One slanting line attaching to the another slanting line, one curve line going towards downside in a slanting mode, one more slanting line, few zigzag lines inside for making the head portion. Take your water portion, blur it inside. We are going to make it a big dark, so I am not going in a big, only in a head position. If you want to show some light toning or yellow patches inside, you can include it inside yellow color. Head is ready. Now I am going to take it cobalt blue color for showing the wings. I am filling inside cobalt blue color. You can show few scalps by giving the strokes inside. Again one more curve for showing opposite side wing. Now again cobalt blue color, a chest and a stomach part. Fill it inside a cobalt blue color. Use water to blend it, make it light, so we can bifurcate where is the stomach and where is the wings. Now I am going to tail. Its tail is quite short, so I am going to make it short tail. Again water. If you want to show some lines, you can make it few lines inside by using dark color. Few strokes at the end point for making the claws of a kingfisher. Now I am going to take it black color. For the legs, few water to blur it. Now I am going to take it brown color for showing the stem. Filling inside and sewing the stem through coming outside. Here my stem is ready. Now I am going to take it Persian blue color for showing the details. Here I shown a few wing scallops. Now take it white color. For showing the effects. Take it red color for the beak, long sharp beak. And I'm going to make it eyes. Nose, here my kingfisher study. Now I'm going to make it few grass on my tree. So I'm going to take it few patches of dark green color. Few yellow color. For showing the freshness of a leaf. And a backdrop. Few strokes. I want to show us as a grassy look. Here, few stems. So here our kingfisher is ready. Thank you friends. Enjoy our art.